going on, guys? So, back again today. Today we've got just a pretty straightforward head unit install with a little sub that the customer supplied, but we've got John from Fleeting Image, or as a lot of people know it as Race Paint. I've got his Amarok here, and we're going to put an Alpine 8-inch perfect fit kit in here. So, let's have a look at what we're putting in. Here's our kit here. So, Alpine 308, which is the full nav unit. And obviously we've got our Alpine harness and fascia kit as well to go with it. So these are a specific designed Alpine kit for Amarok and for the 8-inch. The fact that they do their own kits for their own units, which is quite cool. Probably the best integration solutions that are out there at this point in time. But apart from that, I better go and start pulling the thing apart. All right. Let us begin. Shh. Done. Now, with any luck, I might even have the adapter for the reverse camera. That'd be nice. Sweet. Move on. Well, first thing is I'm going to get this out. Okay. Well, doesn't that make it reasonably straightforward? All right, let's get him unboxed. Yeah. Nice. It's our big screen. So, need to change the singles out for the dual. So, get these ones taken off. There we go. Now, just got to pin him in. Flat blade. Well, why not? I'll solder him on. Yo, man. Alright, there's the majority of our loom done. So the only other things that will need to be added is obviously we're going to have a remote trigger that comes off here to power up the sub doof. Awesome. So that's good. Now the other thing I've got to do is inside the car itself, the factory reverse camera needs to be pinned out, which can be a little fun at times. So it's in one of the factory coaxial leads, so I've got to go in and try and pin it out. But I'll go and start doing that fun bit. Beep, 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 beep. Well, we have progress. Found my camera pin out, so I can get them wired in, which is lovely. Which is good. So now I'll move on. Alright, so as you can see here, I made myself up a little 2-pin cable. So this means I don't need to modify the factory reverse camera wiring in there. Beautiful. It's good. Alright, and there is our factory camera retention cable. Let's see if it works. Alright, next is digital radio antenna. So, get this pillar off, do him good. Bam! Finicky process, getting it right the first time, and not putting fingerprints all over it. Beautiful. Whew, that's tight. Get a yellow tongue and feed it through. First shot. Yeah. All right. So I've got my brackets mounted up. So now we can start doing the old pluggy plug. Bam. Nice. All right, now's the moment of truth. Ugh, where's the key? That one. Hey. Audio. That's lovely. That's always a good start. Beautiful. And hey. Beautiful. Hey, and the climate controls. Awesome. Can't forget this bit. Right, and there it is, all in. They do look very nice in the dashboard, that is for sure. So it's good. The only thing I've got to do left now is do a boot up screen so that it shows up Volkswagen when we turn it on, and we are good to go. Lovely. Alright, so there's our current boot up screen. Alright, I have a USB. Alright. And that's it. Now, unplug him, close our glove box. With any luck, when I now hey, perfect. Right, well, that basically calls us done in here. Everything's up and going, everything's working. I've got to do some station memories and a few bits and pieces, just do some time alignment and stuff. But other than that, we're all good and done. So I'll be back again soon. Got some pretty cool builds coming up. That should be a pretty decent sized build. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. See ya. Got a big one.